Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we're exploring a stunning blend of retro charm and modern innovation, the 2025 classic-inspired electric camper. At first glance, it's impossible not to admire the two-tone coral pink and cream color scheme. It gives the camper a soft, nostalgic vibe that instantly draws attention, whether it's parked in the woods or rolling down the highway. This camper's rounded body design pays tribute to vintage vans of the past, but with a smooth, refined finish that makes it feel completely updated. The chrome detailing, classic hubcaps, and streamlined curves give it that timeless, photo-worthy appeal, perfect for van lifers who love both style and substance. Now, step inside. This is where things really get exciting. The warm interior lighting creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere as soon as you open the doors. You're greeted by a compact, functional space that's clearly been designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. The wood paneling is light and natural, adding a cabin-like feel, while modern touches like LED bulbs and indoor plants make the space feel alive and well thought out. To the left, you'll find a small but efficient kitchen area. There's a sink with running water, multiple drawers for storage, and a countertop that works great as a prep station or even a mini work desk. Moving into the central space, the lounge area doubles as a dining or chill-out zone. Soft, car-style seating in a minimalist design provides enough comfort for long hauls and cozy evenings. The large windows let in plenty of natural light, while the curtains give you privacy when needed. Under the hood, this camper is powered by an all-electric drivetrain. It's eco-friendly, whisper-quiet, and has enough range for weekend getaways or even longer road trips if you plan your stops right. Whether you're navigating winding forest paths or cruising along coastal highways, the handling feels smooth, responsive, and confident. The best part? This camper isn't just about travel, it's a lifestyle. It's about slowing down, enjoying the journey, and making every stop feel like home. With thoughtful design, reliable electric performance, and undeniable charm, the 2025 camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. That's it for today's tour. If you love campers that mix old-school cool with cutting-edge comfort, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more camper tours and travel reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.